Hello! Today I want to show you how to use the color editor in Autocost. The color editor is the last step to finish the matrix creation of your order. Open the editor by clicking on the Colors button. The editor will open. You can either select a color from the list or switch to the table view by clicking on the List button. Select the Add Color button. A dialog opens and enter the material name and the color. Confirm with Enter. You can enter one or multiple colors. The dialog closes with the key Escape. Check the fabric width in the table as well as the material price and the stretch values in X and Y if necessary. Close the editor with the Close button. The colors will appear in the matrix. Now enter the quantities for each color and each size. You need to confirm every value with Enter. You can continue your learning experience by watching my next video.